100%, you know?
We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God.
Big baller, call me Benzema. Goal for me neck, nah give me eczema. Big baller, call me Benzema. Anyway you see me, you have to see 10 killer.
Welcome to the vlog. Yes, I'm all done up because we're going out and we're going to backyard barbecue. So yeah, basically the hair is from RPG wigs. Yes, and the guys know I customize it. If you want to see how I customize it, you have to check out the video that I'm going to link in the description box. I did a video with it for my birthday. Yeah, so it's currently live on my main channel, so you can check that out. And then the top I got from Roya's Fashion. I think Divine's mother got me this. And the skirt, which I know is probably the most striking. I don't remember where I got it, but I know it's somewhere in half a tree. I don't remember where. So yeah, that's a bummer. And then my watch is a fossil watch. So yeah, so that's my outfit of the evening. Yeah, so that's what's up. I did like 3 clients before getting ready, so the good thing is that my makeup was already on, so I only had to come and, you know, put on my clothes. So now we are going to head there. It's keeping at Hope Gardens, so yeah, we're gonna head there now. And the sun is setting right now. This is Sasha. I wanna see her already. Yeah, Miss Necessities. It's the 8 plus. Want to take picture, please? Yeah. So Nene right here. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. We're going to walk in now. Rain was due a while ago. I'm glad it stopped. It's been a rainy Christmas. So yeah, we're going to walk in now.
smell good, we have behind in our ear. If your belly full, we have behind in our ear. Bedroom set now. So you never leave up the wall again. Out of box, as I look for the wheels. Look like when on China she was done. I used to think young pow. Craziness is next to godliness. The girl want to kiss her again because when she looks, she see the liver spot and the wingworm. Yeah, when you're fresh and clean, that's awesome. What you say? That's awesome. Bring it up, bring it up. Big up all of the foreigner over there. All of the foreigner, don't worry with the foreigner. Like how you don't get better, you see them up for them.
Guys, so the party is over and we are leaving. Tanina and them say them want to go I Love Soca, but I'm dressed extra in this long skirt and I Love Soca short business. So I don't know, I might just have to change. Yeah. But guys, they come like me never come. The party it finished so quick, even though it's been going on from 12 o'clock and it wasn't even 9 o'clock when they stopped playing the music. I know I know a dark guys, but yeah, it was before 9 that they stopped playing the music, so that's a bummer because we reached like after 6 and I mean who wants to go to a party so early because they were playing old songs and one day at the party when they know the vibes really. Guys, check the street out. Keep up by Standpipe. Biggest street by the place. Guys, so I went home and did a little outfit tweak. I had to take off the skirt and I changed my shoes. So yeah, now we're at I Love Soca. Tanina kept her outfit and put on sneakers. Yeah, So I go walk in a place ram. Like people park from, like, you remember like how Sands did ram up? Like it not reach them levels there, but it's close. Like it seemed like everybody there at a party here because a Boxing Day, and honestly not a lot of stuff are going. So you had backyard barbecue, then you have this Zimis River Keep a Bagua, but that was a day. A Bagua keep down. Yeah, but that was a day thing. So that done. So yeah, so now we're here, so I go see what the vibe is like inside. It's the first time I'm coming here. Like it look like everybody like it, so let me see how I like it. I don't wanna go.
Watch out, pretty lady, smile, smile. Everybody let's go. Everywhere ding dong and ravens go. Smash on, you know. You want to push up your country. Everybody will have times every chip. Good, but now, you know. But now, you know. Everybody get a man. Get a man from us. Special lucky person here today. So I was in the plane with the army. Wait. And I met this white man right named Greg. And this little white man named Greg said, come up and we can bring that vibe. Charlie, are you doing that? Nobody's Spanish, but you had it well done. Say you not perfect. Say make up your food. When you get it in, everything looking good. You keep them. So, but you easy. That's why. You must fucking do it. I don't know stuff white. But that is stuff white. Stupidness. Let me have right now. Hard white. Hey. Stick out the top. Stick out the top. Stick out the top. Hey. By the way, you guys are problems. I could make you feel nice. We could stop the whole night. Oh. Like a headlight. How you moving so? Everybody watch me. Action. You shot. Remember to subscribe. Hey, sing it out now. Ladies.
Guys, I'm here with a divinity. Yeah.
Oh, we have the ID, so.
Camera now focus, but I'm here with a divinity. What's your name? Shanoya. Shanoya, alright. Big up Shanoya. Bye.
Kishani.
Even though the party done, we stay to the party done. Cause them say them want the traffic.
From Georgia.
I love soca, Iguan. It's really nice. But anyway, we're going home now still, so I just want to come out of the
Remember also.
So we're walking out of the party now, guys, and the car park far, you know. Lord of mercy, this is a good walk where I forgot to put on for each. Tired. Hi, Vlogmas! Divinity over there. Yeah. Thanks. Big up to all the divinities that came to me and, you know, said hi. I appreciate the support. Guys, it's morning time. After the situation at I Love Soca last night, it was lit. It was lit. I'm not gonna lie, it took the night. That event definitely took the night. It was really good. It was chill, you know, dressing, and the vibes was lit, so I can't complain. So I woke up hours ago, but I still feel tired. But right now I'm gonna catch up on all the editing. I have Vlogmas 25 to finish editing because I started, but I just look at this bump. I don't know where this is going now. Gosh, this is the reason why I don't like to dwell on anything. Once I speak good about something choose to go bad. Anyways, I moisturize though. I just finished moisturizing, but right now I'm gonna catch up on the editing. I'm gonna eat something, and this is where I'm gonna end this vlog as well. This was definitely a party vlog, definitely. Today is, I don't know what's happening today, but I'm not going anywhere today. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I'm not going anywhere today. Tomorrow is Friday, and I need to rest up tomorrow because I have two weddings to do this weekend. Well, on this Saturday, the same day. Yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed it though. I hope you're enjoying them so far. Yes, Vlogmas is over. Vlogmas is over. This is not a Vlogmas episode, but I just like giving a little brata, you know. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be very soon, you know. Yeah.